Hello, this is Mrs. Rodolfi, and I wanted to go over a couple examples from Lesson 17-2 in the SpringBoard Algebra 1 book. Currently, I am on page 257, and I was going to go over some of these from the Check Your Understanding number 7, Solve Each System. So I wanted to review the substitution method, since that's what you're going to see on your next quiz and test. So I'm just going to do it on a piece of paper because the book does not really give a lot of room. So this is page 257. It's the Check Your Understanding number 7. All right, so for the first one, A, we're given y equals 2x plus 6, y equals negative 3x plus 16. All right, so first I want to make sure at least one equation is solved for a variable. One of the variables is isolated. They both have y equals. So we want to have at least one with the variable by itself on one side of the equal sign. If they are both like this, then I'm going to put them equal to each other. So what I'm essentially doing is I'm substituting 2x plus 6 for this y. Then I want to solve for x. Notice how now we just have the x variable. So if I can do this many ways, I'm going to move my x terms to the left side of the equal sign. So if this is negative 3x, I'm going to add 3x to both sides. That cancels out. I'm left. Then I want to move all my constant terms to the opposite side. So plus 6, I'm going to minus 6 both sides. 5x equals 10. Then if it's 5 times x, the inverse is divided by 5. X equals solve for y. So I go back up to my original equations and I have to substitute x equals 2. Whichever one you want to. I think the first one looks easier to solve, so I'm going to substitute y equals 2 times 2 plus 6. So if x equals 2, then I substitute it in for x. Then I solve. So x equals 2, y equals 10, those are the ordered pair, 2, 10 for our solution. So if we were to graph these, both of them would intersect at 2, 10. All right, then for B, 8, 3x plus 2y equals 14. So in this case, but if I look up here, x and y do not have coefficients. Technically, they have like a 1x and plus 1y, but there's no number next to them, so they're in like simplest form in a sense. So I want to solve for one of these. I could solve for y or x. So I'm going to solve for x. So if it's x plus y isolated. So now I can plug this into our other equation for x. So 3 times 8 minus y plus 2y equals 14. Now I'm going to solve for y. 3 times 8 plus 2y equals 14. Combine like terms, negative 3y plus 2y, 24 minus y equals 14. All right, then I want to move all my constants, minus 24 to both sides. Negative y equals negative 10 divided by negative 1. Remember, it's like a negative 1y, so divide by negative 1. Y equals positive 10. All right, now I need to get my x value. So going back up here, I can plug or substitute y equals 10 into one of these original equations. So I'll choose the one that I think is easiest. X plus 10 equals 8. Subtract 10 from both sides, x equals negative 2. So the ordered pair is -2, 10. So this. So go ahead and try the other two on your own, and I will have the key posted, or I should already have it posted with those answers for you to check your work. Thanks for watching. Bye.